We're back.
Yes, sir.
What happened? Everything?
Everything, like it's a Monday.
We got 3 machines stuck.
3 machines.
Well, 2 stuck, 1's down.
Yep. Skid steer tractor.
So he started doing some mulching down there. This is the property owner. And track fell off that skid steer. 1 stuck in the woods and the other tractor stuck in the woods.
Stuck in the ditch.
So we're gonna go try to get 1 skid steer unstuck, get the track put back on that one, and then go find the tractor and recover it. Yeah. Sounds like a plan, doesn't it?
That's the plan.
Right, Tyler?
Let's go get
And
this
it's
stuff.
And it's 4 o'clock on a what day is it? Wednesday.
If all else fails, the Cimarron.
We'll save the day. Yeah. We're gonna start with this first. Well, there's the first skid steer stuck way out here, and the other one's in the woods. That one's missing the track. let it down just a little bit. Just a little bit more. All right, can you try to turn the track slowly? Keep going. All right there. Come off on the back, jack it back up. Well, we got the track back on, and now we are putting the grease fitting back in. We'll get that pumped up, put the cover back on, and this skid steer will be free. And we go over there and get the other one. Right, Brian?
That's right. Getting it done.
Skid steer be free. Looks like we got a log. One down.
One down.
2 more to go. That's a stump. And here is stuck machine number 2. Let's get out and assess this one. What had happened was
yesterday's rain. No, Monday's rain, and I thought the day dried.
Monday's, yeah, one day wasn't enough, was it?
Right.
Oh, gracious. All right, well, we already got a chain hook to it. We'll try to just wrap it around the bucket, I guess. We can probably go through the back, and then I'll pull you out this way right here. We'll see how well that works.
Yep.
down.
2 down.
I would probably refrain from driving back through here. With that, just
The driver threw me off talking to the driver.
when you talk to her there on the phone, then you
into the tree and just sat there and spun out.
well, it doesn't take much. As soon as they spin and that stuff, it's game over.
Game over. Yeah, that's a whole ditch.
All right, 2 down. Let's go find the tractor now. You're on high ground, so just are you going to drive this out? Or
Yeah, we can drive up. We can drive up.
you want to drive this out? We'll put all the tools on the mulcher. All right. I'll grab my bucket. Well, I need that. I'll need that chain, won't I? Just throw that on the other one. Is the other one still? No, the other chain. Is it still laying?
Yeah, I put it on the forklift.
Okay. Okay.
I'm at the other one.
Skid steer. All right. Or I'm gonna venture out, throw all the tools on the mulcher, and I'll meet you over there at the tractor.
All right.
That work, Tyler? That work? It's a little wet. Well, we found the tractor. Well, I found the tractor. I'm not exactly sure how we got back here, because I've had to pull myself through the mud with the excavator. Let's see if we can find something to hook to on this thing.
Showcase number 3.
Showcase number 3, best for last. What are we going to hook to? Probably around, that's going to be our best bet.
This water draining right now too.
Yeah, that's draining another ditch down there. Probably around the...
Where the holes are at. Or is this solid here?
I think I would feel better wrapping around like right there. Yeah. Maybe go through there, that way it can't slide up. Yeah. We'll do our best to go backwards. Where did you come from? That's obviously you were
up here and
you were backing up. Okay, and then you got in that ditch right there. All right, well, let's see what we can do. I'm gonna have to stay behind you till you get out, because it's soft through there. Two skid steers recovered and a tractor, all within an hour and a half. They made it. All right, let's load up and get out of here.